How to add phone number to a Microsoft account. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search icon and search for Microsoft account. Now open up the first website. Now sign into your account. Tap on next. Now enter your password. Now after signing in, tap on the three lines and go to security. Now tap on add a recovery phone number. Tap on get started. Now enter your phone number and tap on next. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe also for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.